Hello everyone, my name is Steve, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your very own Bukkit or Spigot plugin in 1.15.1. I'll have all the links you need in the description below, so let's get started. To start out, you're going to want to head over to getbukkit.org and you're going to want to hit this button right now. If you're using Bukkit, go for this one, but the process will remain mostly the same. So hit download latest Spigot 1.15.1. And then right down here, you want to click on you're about to download and the name of what you're downloading. If this pops up because you're using Chrome, you want to hit keep. Next, you head over to dev.bukkit.org/project/world-edit. Again, I'll have links to everything. Just hit download latest file and hit keep yet again. You're all done with your browser. You can close that down for now. And you want to drag your two newly downloaded files over onto your desktop. Just like that. You should have Spigot, you should have World Edit. Next, make a brand new folder on your desktop. You can call it whatever you want. Just call it server. And you want to drag this one inside it. Now open up this folder. Make a new text document. And you can call it just about anything. I'll call it start. And you want to open it up, I recommend using Notepad++, but any notepad or text editor will do just fine. Now in here, you're going to want to be pasting in the command line that I have pasted down in the description of this video for you. Just like that. These two values here, 1024M and 1024M, you can customize to your liking. This is the RAM that's being allocated for your server. It really, you should be fine just leaving them like this if you're not going to be running a very big server. But if your computer can handle it, you could change these. Example, since mine can, I'm going to change them both to 2G. But whatever you're going to go with that, I recommend leaving it default. You go File, Save As. Make sure you're in the same folder. Go down here to Save As Type, and we'll set to All Types, and change it from start.txt to start.bat. Press Save, close out of that, and you can now delete start.txt. Now you just want to run start.bat, right click Open, or just double click on it. It will take a little while on the first run, but it should pause eventually, and you should see new folders and files appearing in your server folder. So you can see it shut out right away. It's generated this eula.txt, open that up, and you're going to want to come to where it says eula equals false, change that to true. Now remember, you should read this, it means you're agreeing to the end user license agreement. Once you've set to true, file, save, close out of that, and run start.bat again. You should see server properties and logs have both appeared. If you want, you can open up server.properties. You'll want to open it with Notepad if you just have that. But if you have Notepad++, you should just be able to hit open with Notepad++. These are your Minecraft server properties. A lot of it is game rules that you can change in game. So, for example, there's the whitelist, so you can turn a whitelist on. You can change the default game mode, so you can just set that to creative if you want. A whole bunch of stuff you can change, like PvP, command blocks are enabled. If it's a public server, I recommend leaving this as false. Down here, I'm going to turn on the whitelist. And there's the MoTD, which is going to be what's appearing below your server in the server browser. So just change this. This is a MoTD. You can really change it to whatever you want. There's your view distance, the max build height. There's the seed if you want to generate structures or not. And there's even, you can leave a link to a resource pack for the server to automatically have a resource pack. And now hit start.bat once again. If you do get a Windows security alert that looks like this one, leave it on private networks and hit allow access. You're going to want to wait until you see this done message right here. Just close the server, and a whole bunch of new stuff has been generated. Open up plugins, and drag this world edit into plugins, just like that. Go back to server, start, run it, and it might be a little bit faster this time because it's not generating a new world. And there you go. As soon as you see this done, you want to leave this server open and open up Minecraft and head to multiplayer. So go to multiplayer and add server, and you can call it whatever you want. For the server address, set it to local host, just like that. Hit done and join that server. You'll see this is the MoTD that we set earlier. And you can see that if you whitelisted the server in the server properties file, you're going to have to whitelist yourself. You'll notice you're going to need the console right over here in order to do that. In order to whitelist people, whitelist, add, and then their username. Just like that, it says added SneakySebo1 to the whitelist. And you might as well also go ahead and give yourself op. Come over to Minecraft, join again. As you can see, we are in creative mode because, remember, in the server properties, we set it to be in creative mode right away. Wow, that's rare. And now to show you it is actually a Bukkit server, we installed one plugin. You do /plugins. It's going to say the one plugin we have installed, which is World Edit. So we can do help. You can see it is definitely a Bukkit server. So for World Edit, we can do //wand. It's going to give us the wooden axe. And now we can use World Edit. So for example, if we want to set from that block over there to this block over here, we can say set air, and it all vanishes. So that is how you make your very own Bukkit server in 1.15. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, go ahead and leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. If you have any questions at all, be sure to leave a comment. I'll try to answer as many as I can. And have a great day, everyone. Bye.